Ghana for. Is that the phrase? Am I allowed to say that? Hi, everyone, and welcome to another conversation with Chi Chi, your front row seat to all things Africa and the diaspora. Today's story, one word. Don't laugh at me. This is going to be corny. Celebration. Celebration. Get it? Get it? It's a celebration because Ghana's currency, the cedi, just made global headlines for all the right reasons. After a rocky couple of years, the Ghanaian cedi is now the best performing currency in the world for 2025, appreciating nearly 50% against the US dollar. Yup, you heard that right. World's strongest currency this year. Let's break down how that happened because it definitely wasn't magic. It was momentum. Ghana has been working overtime to rebuild investor confidence, especially after facing a debt crisis in recent years. Between stabilizing inflation, rising gold and oil exports, and smart fiscal reform, the country's economic outlook has turned around fast, and the markets notice. Gold in particular has been a game changer. With global prices surging, Ghana's status as one of the top gold producers gave it a huge edge. Add to that some bold policy moves like requiring exporters to buy gold using cedis, and you've got yourself increased reserves, stronger demand for currency, and a clear strategy to keep things moving upward. But this isn't just about economics, it's about resilience. Just 3 years ago, the cedi was the world's worst performing currency. But now look at it. It's leading the pack, and that is a turnaround you cannot ignore. And of course, Ghana's central bank is keeping a close eye on things. While the current rally is really exciting, leaders are making it clear stability doesn't mean we stop being strategic. Inflation still lingers, and they're trying to strike that delicate balance between celebrating progress and staying grounded. For the rest of the continent and the diaspora, this moment is more than a headline, it's hope. A reminder that with intentional leadership, intentional cooperation, and smart reforms, real change is possible. Ghana, 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 Ghana! If you love Ghana, if you're a proud Ghanaian, or you're just excited to see what else is going to happen from that beautiful country, be sure to comment down below, show some love, and as always, be sure to follow to keep up with all of the stories, shifts, and standouts shaping Africa and the diaspora. From breakthroughs to breaking news. I'm Chi Chi, and this is another conversation. See you next time. Nobody want to see you rise. Sorry, I'm Nigerian, but go Ghana. Go Ghana.